Dear students, welcome to today's math session. Till now, we had studied lot of triangles. We had learned about coordinate geometry and we had learned about similarity of triangles. And now, if you look around you in the world, you can find out that there are many triangles are possible. Let us consider TV screen. If you look at the screen, the measurement of this screen can be given in the form of triangles. Now, even this screen can be broken into two triangles and the length of diagonals of these two triangles can be used to find the dimension of the TV screen.
John, he has been given unique problem in his maths activity class. He has to find the height of the clock tower in the campus of his school. He has to measure this length, which is the height. You imagine from the viewpoint of mathematics, you will see a triangle from the boy to the clock tower. If this distance and this angle is known, we can find the height easily. But how? That's precisely what we will try to understand in trigonometry. What does trigonometry actually means? The word trigonometry is derived from Greek, which means measurement of triangles.
So basically, trigonometry deals with measurements of triangle. It deals with the measurements of sides of a triangle and angles of a triangle. Trigonometry plays a very important role in our daily life. All the problems which I had discussed can be easily solved by trigonometry. Apart from this, trigonometry can be used in many fields like construction, astronomy, etc. Generally, trigonometry deals with one kind of triangle. Can you tell me which type of triangle is it? A right angle triangle. Now we will look at 6 ratios in trigonometry using right angle triangle.
Let this angle be theta. This will be the side adjacent to theta. This will be the side opposite to theta. This is the hypotenuse. This triangle we will be dealing with to cover most of our trigonometry. You have studied the concept of ratio in your earlier classes. Now define certain ratios involving the side of a right triangle and call them trigonometric ratios. The trigonometric ratios of the angle theta in right triangle are defined as follows. First one is sine function. Sine of theta is written as sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Then what is a cosine function? Cosine of theta is written as cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Third important function is a tangent function. Tangent of theta is written as tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Let us review what we just did. We learned 3 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. But how do we remember so many formula? It's very simple. Observe the first letters in each of the cases. Look at the first formula. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So let's write so. Now look at the second formula. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. It's ka. Third formula. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So we write toa. What we get? It is so ka toa. We are using the first letters of in each cases. It may sound funny, but that is the best way to remember the formula. So ka toa. There are 3 more functions we need to understand. If you know the formula of these 3 functions, they would be really simple. The name of the 4th function is cosecant. The 5th one is secant. And the 6th one is cotangent. Cosecant of theta is written as cosec theta. It's the reciprocal of sine theta. Sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Then cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. The next one is secant theta. Is written as sec theta, and that's the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Then sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. The next one or last one is cotangent function, is written as cot theta. This is all the reciprocal of tangent function. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Then cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. Let's review the concept what we learned now. Sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, and cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Next, cos theta is a reciprocal of sec theta, and sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. Next is tan theta. Tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. John, looking at a board, would be so confused. A right triangle, some angle, 6 weird names, a random chord. Yes, it's true. That's the reason why people dread studying this topic. The best way to understand this would be understanding the chord so ka twa. Let's discuss questions based on this topic. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, a right angle at B, AB equal to 24 cm, BC equal to 7 cm, then what is the value of tan C? So, options are given, so you have to choose the correct option. According to the question, triangle ABC is a right angle at B, and you have to find the value of tan C. So, consider angle C, AB equal to 24 cm, that is opposite side, and BC is 7 cm, that is adjacent side, and we have to find tan C. The definition of tan, opposite side by adjacent side. So directly substitute the value, then we will get the answer. 24 by 7. So the correct option is option B, 24 by 7. Then next question. Question number 2. If cos A is equal to 2 by 3, then what is the value of tan A? Here, the definition of cos, adjacent by hypotenuse. So here we have to consider the figure triangle ABC, and according angle A, AB is the adjacent side, so you have to take 2k and k as a constant, because here cos A value is given 2 by 3, that is a ratio, and AC is 3k, hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse, it's given 3. So we have to consider as 3k. According Pythagoras theorem, BC equal to root of 9k square minus 4k square equal to root 5k square. So that is root 5k. And we have to find tan A, opposite by adjacent side. According angle A, opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So here root 5k by 2k equal to root 5 by 2. So correct option is option D, root 5 by 2. Question number 3. If tan theta equal to 3 by 4, then what is the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta? So here, the same way we have to consider the figure triangle ABC, and any angle means except right angle, you can consider A or C as a theta. So here consider angle C as theta. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Definition of tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So AB as a opposite side. So we have to consider AB equal to 3K and BC is equal to 4K. According Pythagoras theorem, we have to find AC. So here root of 9k square plus 16k square equal to root 25k square equal to 5k. So now we found all the sides. Then we can find the value of cos theta and sin theta. So cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. So 4k by 5k. So kk you can cancel 4 by 5. Then sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So 3 by 5. Then substitute the value cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. The denominator is the same. So you can subtract the numerator. 16 minus 9 equal to 7. 7 by 25. So the correct option is option A. Case study based question. Raj is an electrician in a village. One day, power was not there in entire village and villagers called Raj to repair the fault. After thorough inspection, he found an electric fault in one of the electric pole of height 5 meter and he has to repair it. He needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. Based on this situation, we have some questions. Question number 1. In the above situation, if BD equal to 3 cm and BC equal to 6 cm, find DC. So here, consider the figure. BD is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm. According Pythagoras theorem, we have to find DC. So DC is equal to root 36 minus 9 equal to root 27. So you can write it in a simplest form 3 root 3. So the correct option is option A, 3 root 3. Question number 2. 15 cot alpha equal to 8. Find sin alpha. So here they given 15 cot alpha equal to 8. 15 you can take other side. So cot alpha equal to 8 by 15. According to the definition of cot, adjacent by opposite. So consider the angle C as alpha. According alpha, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. So BC equal to 8K and AB equal to 15K. So we have to find AC because sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse. So we have to find the hypotenuse. So AC equal to root of 225k square plus 64k square. That means root of 289k square equal to 17k. Sin alpha equal to opposite by hypotenuse 15 by 17. So the correct option is 15 by 17. Option D.